back. Today we're making baked oats. Have you ever wanted chocolate cake for breakfast? Well, now's your chance to have these oats taste just like a chocolate cake. So come on and let's turn around here and get started. My daughter-in-law Haley's going to help me today. Me and her been baking 2 recipes, so we're getting this one done while the other one's in the oven. Okay, we're going to start now by doing the recipe. And we're actually doubling it, so Haley's going to tell y'all the ingredients for just a single recipe too.
All right, so you need a 1/2 cup of oats. All right, you need 1/2 banana. You need 1 egg. I'm gonna rinse. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You want a pinch of salt. A 1/4 cup of milk. A pinch of cinnamon.
Okay.
Struggling. Ready?
Yeah.
A pinch of cinnamon. Need a tablespoon of peanut butter.
And we're doubling this because Haley
Yes.
might take some with her.
Yes.
You can eat these before you go to work.
Mm-hmm. A tablespoon of syrup.
You can make Alan eat these for breakfast
You
too.
probably will.
Make them eat something healthier.
All right, next we are going to blend it up. All right, now you have to blend up all of those ingredients. Looking good.
Oh yeah.
Oops, making a mess. All right, so after you've blended everything, you're supposed to put 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You're just gonna eyeball it. Mix it together good. Okay, so next we want to spray our dishes. So we're doing one in a little casserole dish and then one set in these silicone cupcake liners. Halfway with that.
We may have a little batter mix left over.
Yeah, I might put more in the little casserole dish. We're gonna top it with some more chocolate chips.
Then what do we need to preheat the oven to?
Needs to be at 350.
Okay, we're going to go ahead now and put those in the oven. And how long will we bake those for?
25 minutes.
All right, we'll take them out when they get done and show y'all what they look like.
Oh, those look good.
Okay, now we're going to take the baked oats out of the oven.
That looks so pretty.
Oh yeah, those do look good. Oh, that's going to be a good recipe right there. That might be a weekly meal prep plan for breakfast.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we melted some peanut butter in the microwave to drizzle over the top.
Okay, now we're going to do a taste test on our baked oats. This is like eating a chocolate chip cake in the mornings. It's hard to get on the fork, ain't it?
It's so good.
Mmm. Oh goodness, that's good. This could be dangerous, y'all. Both of these. We made our peanut butter bread, and now we've got our baked oats. So we got breakfast for a couple days, don't we? Oh, we're gonna go back in.
I want more.
That's good. That's dangerous. But if y'all like this video and you decide to make the baked oats, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.